Good morning children, welcome back to the another class of E2 Lab. Now today here I am with the chapter Seeds Tell the Farmer Story. Now as you all know that time never stops for anyone. So there are a lot of changes from the past times and today what we are doing. Now here what I am talking about is about the seeds. Now earlier farmers used to save their seeds, their best seeds for the next season crop. And nowadays what people do, they just buy these seeds and they sow for their next coming up crop. Now we are going to discuss about the activity also, how we can save these seeds, and then I am going to tell you about the how to make insecticide at home, homemade insecticide. So this we are going to learn in today's activity. Okay, let us start with. Okay, yes children, now I'm going to show you the chart on the cereals, pulses and oil seeds. Now here these things are shown by their scientific names, but as you all know, these are wheat, rice, maize, bajra. Then we come on pulses. Now these are legumes, all what we call lentils, dals. And then we have, as you all can see, this is rajma, then this is mung dal, this is black dal, then this is maize, chana, this is matar, and then we have rajma, kala chana, and then we have oil seeds. Now you can see the oil seeds, alsi, then you have walnuts, then you have cashews, then this is your seeds of what we call seeds of pumpkin, and then this is your almonds. All these are different type of seeds. Now what you have to do is, now there is another activity. What you all are going to do is, you are going to collect the seeds. Now I'm going to show you my collection, and then for that the way you have to store them, and then you can show your picture and send them in your class groups. As you have stored them, then you can show your own collection also of seeds and then send into the class group. Okay children, now here I have collected the different seeds. Now these seeds are of spices also, fruits also, and vegetables also. Now I'll show you, like this is the seed of chiku, what we call spota, and then I have a bear seed. Now this is bitter gourd, then this is cumin, jeera. Here I have black chana, then here I have coriander seeds, and then this is white chana, this is black pepper, and this is apricot seed. Now I hope everybody is clear. Everybody is clear about this. Okay, now what you have to do is, you have to collect your own seeds and just save it like this, or you can take the ziploc pouches also, and then show your collection in the click the picture and put it in the class. Children, now it's time for another activity, and I'm going to tell you how to make insecticide at home, and this is really going to help for the home for the potted plants, and it's very useful. So let's start. Yes children, first of all I have taken few neem leaves and I have garlic, and now what you have to do is, you have to cut these leaves. Cut these leaves in a very small portions, and now as you can see I have leaves out here, and then I have taken garlic. Now what you have to do, you have to crush the garlic also. So now you can pour this garlic. Now the next step is, you have to take water. Till here I hope everybody is clear. I have taken the neem leaves, I have cut them into very small, and then I have taken the garlic clove, and I have also crushed it and I have poured that. Now this you have to leave it for around 2 to 3 hours. Now after 2 to 3 hours it will turn into like this. Now after this you will pour this water, or you will sieve this water into the other tumbler. Now our homemade insecticide is ready. Now after that you are going to just, again you are going to sieve it, pour it into the bottle for the spray. Now your homemade insecticide is ready. Okay. Now this spray you can use it for the potted plants at home. And you can see I have taken different plants and I am spraying them. Yes, it is clear, and I hope you all are going to make this spray at home and give benefits to your own plants. Doing this, plants becomes healthy and it is insects free also. Thank you children. Thank you so much.